Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Remington Ultimate Precision Detail Trimmer is probably one of the most versatile and essential grooming tools for men who pay close attention to detail, offering superior precision for shaping facial hair, creating sharp lines, and tackling those hard-to-reach areas with ease, ensuring a clean and well-groomed look, making it a must-have for achieving the perfect grooming style. And this video will guide you through everything you need to know about this amazing product. Number 5. Remington Shortcut Pro. It features 9 different length combs, giving you the perfect trim every time, from short to long. Achieve the exact look you want with ease. With its powerful lithium battery, it provides up to 40 minutes of cordless use. A 5-minute quick charge gets you back in action quickly. The extra-wide curved blade ensures a smooth, precise cut that follows the contours of your head, beard, or body. For best results, clean and oil it regularly. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a clipper, 9 combs, a cleaning brush, a storage pouch, a charging adapter, and oil. It's perfect for travel. It's 100% washable and completely cordless for ultimate convenience. Enjoy a seamless grooming experience, anywhere, anytime. It also comes with a 5-year limited warranty. What we like. It has 9 different length combs to ensure the perfect trim for your hair and beard. Its long-lasting battery gives you 40 minutes of cordless use, perfect for busy mornings. Plus, it's waterproof, so you can easily clean it in the shower. If you need a versatile and powerful trimmer for all your grooming needs, this is the one for you. What people say. It came charged right out of the box, but I went ahead and plugged it in, and in 30 minutes it was at full charge. The light blinks while charging and is solid when done. My hair was already short, so I clipped on the 3mm, about 1/8 inch, comb and went to work. It took about 5 minutes to do the job. It's close enough that it satisfies me, and no one will ever give my head a second glance. Much better than my beard trimmer, of course, and much quicker and easier. When ordering, I thought the odd shape of this clipper would make it awkward to hold in my hand, but that's not the case. It's light, smaller than you would think, and easy to grip. I had no problem guiding it around my head to get an even cut. Functioning. I have to give this a 5-star rating because it is intended for trimming head hair versus beard hair, and it did so with very minimal fuss, without throwing hair all over the place, trimmed evenly, rates extremely high on ease of use, and gets the job done efficiently and quickly. It just makes the job so dang easy. Number 4. Remington Smooth and Silky Kit. Get ready for smooth, confident skin with the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit. It's the ultimate solution for precise bikini line grooming and all-over body hair removal. This cordless trimmer gives you total control for fast, comfortable touch-ups. Trim with precision, in or out of the shower, for your ultimate convenience. It's waterproof, so you can easily groom in or out of the shower. Experience the ultimate comfort and convenience, adapting to your personal routine. It's cordless and easy to handle, powered by a single AA battery, included. Enjoy effortless grooming wherever you are. Achieve silky smooth skin with the angled foil shaver. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin. Plus, the rotating exfoliator brush keeps your skin radiant and healthy. This kit is your all-in-one solution for smooth, radiant skin. Enjoy the convenience of having everything you need in one compact device. What we like. This trimmer is perfect for use in or out of the shower, offering ultimate convenience. Being cordless, it's easy to handle and maneuver, making those hard-to-reach spots a breeze. The angled foil shaver gives you silky smooth results, especially great for sensitive skin. If you're looking for a convenient and comfortable way to groom your bikini area, this is the perfect choice. Number 3. Remington NE3160 Detail Trimmer. It features surgical steel blades for precision. Create clean lines and achieve the exact trim length you need. This adjustable comb gives you 5 precise length settings from 1mm to 5mm, achieve your desired look with ease. The bidirectional trimmer attachment is perfect for sensitive areas. It makes hair removal fast and easy. Maintain a clean and well-groomed look with the included eyebrow comb. It's designed for precise eyebrow shaping. The narrow blade and long neck make trimming nose and ear hair effortless. It's designed for comfortable and precise trimming. With 3 detailing heads and an adjustable comb, you have 9 different length and style settings. Get the exact look you want, from a close shave to 6mm. What we like. This trimmer boasts surgical steel blades for precision in clean lines. The dual-sided trimmer makes quick work of hair removal in sensitive areas. The 5-length adjustable comb gives you ultimate control over your trimming length. If you need a detail-oriented trimmer for precise lines and shaping, this is the one for you. What people say. It's compact, easy to handle, and surprisingly effective. Cuts cleanly and neatly. Makes touching up sideburns, over-ear hair, and facial hair easy. Very well engineered, this is a no-brainer for anyone looking for an inexpensive, lightweight and very precise trimmer. Number 2. Remington All-in-One Grooming Kit. This kit has everything you need to look your best. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to use. With 14 different settings, it's perfect for any style. From a full beard trim to a clean shave, it does it all. It includes a full-size trimmer, a detail trimmer for those hard-to-reach spots, and even a nose and ear trimmer. Get precise grooming every time. The self-sharpening blades stay sharp for a long time, ensuring a smooth and precise trim. They're durable and built to last. It's cordless and lithium-powered, giving you up to 65 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Enjoy cordless convenience. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse the attachments under the faucet. Hygiene is simple and easy. A handy storage pouch is included, making it perfect for travel. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like. With 14 different settings, it's an all-in-one solution for all your grooming needs. The self-sharpening blades ensure long-lasting precision, saving you money in the long run. Plus, the washable attachments make cleaning a snap. If you are looking for an all-in-one grooming solution that's easy to use and maintain, this kit is for you. What people say. The adjustable guard attachment is plastic, not heavy duty, so yes, you can break it or strip it out if you manhandle it or force it on or up and down, adjusting the length. It provides a close shave with little fear of nicking sensitive skin. The battery lasts longer than most other brands I have used. Number 1. Remington MB4700 Beard Trimmer. Get ready to experience effortless precision with the Remington MB4700 Smart Beard Trimmer. It's designed for the ultimate personalized grooming experience, making it easy to achieve your desired look. The motorized comb adjusts in incredibly fine 0.1mm increments, giving you up to 175 length settings. This ensures an incredibly precise and even trim every time. It automatically adjusts its cutting speed to match your beard's thickness. This ensures a consistent trim, no matter how thick or thin your hair is. It conveniently remembers your 4 most recently used settings. This saves you time and ensures you can easily recreate your favorite look. Enjoy up to 50 minutes of cordless trimming on a single charge. It also offers a corded option for uninterrupted use. For indicator lights clearly show the charging status. A full charge takes about 4 hours initially, and 2 hours for subsequent charges. What we like. This trimmer features a motorized comb that adjusts in 0.1mm increments, giving you unparalleled precision. It also has memory settings to save your favorite lengths, making your grooming routine even faster. The smart sensing technology automatically adjusts the cutting speed for an even trim, regardless of hair thickness. If you're looking for a high-tech trimmer with advanced features and ultimate precision, this is the one for you. What people say. For beard it worked amazing because you can store up to the 4 lengths and recall them as needed. The blades cut well and stay sharp even with my coarse beard hair. It's a solid, well-designed product with a bright display and a precise setting mechanism. Also seems to have plenty of power. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.